You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 26/47. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 9x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 47. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals negative 26/47.